Welcome to day 10. Let's get crafty with nature. Attract beautiful birds to your yard with a DIY bird feeder. Nature's own entertainment. By creating simple bird feeders, families can enjoy a fun and educational activity that also benefits local wildlife. Observing and learning about the birds that visit your feeder can spark a lifelong interest in nature and conservation. Step 1. Gather materials. Materials for simple bird feeders. Empty toilet paper rolls or pine cones. Peanut butter or vegetable shortening. Bird seed mix. String or yarn. Scissors. Plates or shallow bowls. Step 2. Prepare the bird feeder base. Toilet paper roll bird feeder. Spread peanut butter or vegetable shortening evenly over the outside of an empty toilet paper roll. Pine cone bird feeder. If using a pine cone, tie a piece of string around the top for hanging. Spread peanut butter or vegetable shortening in the crevices of the pine cone. Step 3. Add the birdseed. Coat with birdseed. Pour birdseed onto a plate or shallow bowl. Roll the peanut butter coated toilet paper roll or pine cone in the birdseed until it is well covered. Press and secure. Gently press the birdseed into the peanut butter to ensure it sticks well. Step 4. Hang the bird feeder. Find a spot. Choose a tree branch or other suitable location in your yard where you can easily see the birds. Hang with string. Thread a piece of string or yarn through the toilet paper roll or use the pre-tied string on the pine cone to hang your bird feeder from a branch. Step 5. Observe and enjoy. Watch for birds. Observe the bird feeder from a distance to see which birds come to visit. Keep a journal of the different species you spot. Refill as needed. Reapply peanut butter and birdseed as needed to keep the feeder stocked. Step 6. Discuss and learn. Research bird species. Use a bird guide or app to identify the birds that visit your feeder. Learn about their habits and diets. Bird conservation. Discuss the importance of bird conservation and how providing food can help local bird populations. And as always, stay safe and good luck. Time for day 10 riddle. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for much longer than a minute. What am I? Hint. Without this, you can't live. You got 30 seconds to solve. The answer is, your breath. You got it. Thank you for participating. We are back tomorrow with another exciting challenge. This activity is free to participate in, but if you wish to support us, consider purchasing any of our many affordable items from our Amazon store. Thank you for your participation.